Hello everyone. Today I want to share my plan for the coming years and my vision for the next 5 years. First, I am going to make significant changes to my habits this year. I'll start by increasing my exercise routine to eat at least 4 times a week to improve my strength and energy. Simultaneously, I'm going to improve my diet by cutting down on processed food. And crucially, I'll work hard to decrease and eventually stop smoking because my health is my priority. I also maintain my love for learning by continuing to read and study. Now, for my main academic goal, my focus for the first half of the year is going to be graduating for the master's program in government and public policy from UNAD. Once I achieve this, I'll immediately resume my intensive English studies. Following that, I'm going to study high demand technological skill like artificial intelligence, Power BI, and SL2, complement my policies expertise. Looking ahead 5 years, I see a very clear picture. By then, I'll be enjoying excellent health as I have firmly established my healthy habits. Academically, I have all my degrees and specialist knowledge. And professionally, I'll be working in the public sector here in Colombia, applying my master's knowledge and technical skill to serve my country. These goals aren't just hopes, they are going to be my roadmap for success. Thank you.